friends, welcome to Laxmi YouTube channel. Today I am sharing how to make peanut powder. This will be very tasty and spicy. This is a very good combination with hot rice and ghee, idli, upma, dosa, puri and even chapati. Now we will see how to make this spicy peanut powder. First, in a pan, add curry leaves and dry roast them. You can see here I am dry roasting the curry leaves. Like this we should dry roast them. You can see all the curry leaves are dry roasted. Take them into a plate and let them cool down. In the same pan, add red chillies. The spiciness is up to your choice. And add a tablespoon of oil and roast them for 4 to 5 minutes on slow flame. You can see here all the red chillies are roasted. Now in this add 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds and roast them for 2 to 3 minutes. All the ingredients should roast on the slow flame. Now you can see the red chillies and cumin seeds are dry roasted. Take them into a plate and let them cool down. In the same pan, add peanuts. Here I am making large amount of peanut powder, so I am adding large quantity of peanuts and dry roast them. You can see here now after 8 to 10 minutes the peanuts are dry roasted. Now take them into a plate and let them cool down. After the peanuts are cooled down, if you want, you can peel by rubbing the peanuts. All the ingredients are ready for making the spicy peanut powder. Now take a blender and add the dry roasted curry leaves, cumin seeds, red chillies, salt and blend them into fine powder. Now you can see, now add the roasted peanuts and blend them. Now add garlic cloves and blend well all the ingredients. Now you can see I have blended all the ingredients well. Now the tasty and spicy peanut powder is ready. This is a very good combination with hot rice and ghee, idli, dosa, upma, chapati or roti and even with puri. We can store this peanut powder for 2 weeks. When we have long journeys, we can take this peanut powder with chapatis. Do try this spicy peanut powder and let me know your comments. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe Laxmi YouTube channel for more videos. Do share and comment on my video. Do like my Facebook page. Thank you for watching. Bye.